Guys, Mixed Media Girl here. So today we're going to do a funnel pour, and I'm using a canvas that I had scraped off because I didn't like it. So the first thing we're going to do is cover this with white, and all the paints I'm using today are mixed with Floetrol and water, including this white. You don't have to use white as a base. I just like it because it's a pretty neutral color and won't really affect the other colors that you're using. So just putting a thin coat of white there, and then I am going to torch this because I want to get rid of as many air bubbles as possible. And that's what the torch does. Gets rid of the air bubbles. And running it off a little bit in this direction. Okay, I think that's good. This is just a base coat, so. All right, and then I'm just gonna use the primary colors today. So I'm using red, yellow, and blue. We're gonna do kind of a rainbow thing. And you can either pre-fill a cup and then pour it into the funnel, or you can pour it directly into the funnel if you kind of have an idea of how much paint you need. So I am going to pour directly into the funnel here, and not going to use a lot of paint. Okay, and then add just a little more white. All right. I'm going to bring the camera down so that you can see how this looks as it comes out of the funnel, because basically it's going to go under that white paint. 1 second. Full disclaimer, I am holding this with my hand, so it's going to be a little shaky, but you'll see the effect. So I'm just going to slowly release this, and you can do that in place, or you can also kind of move it around a little bit. I'm going to move it around a little bit. Kind of like a tree ring under the paint there. There we go. And you'll see those awesome cells start to develop as they're kind of pushing up against the white paint. So on this one, I am going to torch it real quick. I want to see what cells we can create here. I did just mix all my paints, so that's why I'm a little worried about air bubbles, a little more than normal. Then we're just going to tilt it around, and you can of course leave negative space if you'd like. Totally up to you. This technique can definitely produce some awesome, unusual results. My daughter did one of these a while back that was just like really pretty. I don't think I could ever do one as good as that one she did. Okay. I'm actually pretty happy with that. Some people might be bothered by those white corners. That's okay. I'm going to leave it because I like it. I am, however, going to just pour a little more paint here just to get the sides. And the other parts, I'm not worried. Okay. So as usual, we'll let this sit here for a bit and see anything else that develops. I may do a little time lapse, and then we'll come in for our close-up. All right, so we're back, and we're gonna go ahead and do our close-up. So lower right-hand corner here, moving on up. Upper right-hand corner, we definitely got lots of rainbow in here. These really cool red cells. Some awesome lacing on the side over here. And then let's go over here to the upper left-hand corner. And then down to the lower left-hand corner. I always kind of pick a favorite spot. I think this might be it. I really love this section. Don't ask me why. And there you go. And for anyone curious, there's no silicone in this painting. It is just the paint, Floetrol, and water. And I'll go ahead and put all the materials in the description there. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. Please don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you next time.